You know, in that close second set, PLDT Homolterra actually had their chances. Eliza Valdez was scoring. She finally appeared and played, but they could not sustain it, and Army just simply came up with the solutions.
That's right. And kita naman natin yung, Philippine Army just really played steady throughout at played with no pressure despite the fact that they were down. At ang naging problema lang din ng PLDT Homolterra, they had all these errors come in at the latter part. Hindi sila makapalo ng maayos at maka-opensa.
Exactly, and they didn't, at first, medyo rattled. Eliza Valdez was a run, and then they adjusted. Okay, tao lang yan, kaya natin i-manage yan. Let's check the others. And when the rotation was not able to swing around and Eliza was trapped in the back row, wala na, nakontrol din ng Army yung match. No second set.
Oo, so it was very difficult for PLDT to adjust. In fact, we didn't feel much from the reinforcements in that last set. It was really a lot from Valdez, Soltones also. Kaya umikot at hindi makapunto si Soltones. Talagang naramdaman to ng PLDT.
Eliza has to dig in deep under, and look at this. It doesn't matter where you get the points as long as you get the points. They're hoping that Maisel Pontillas will get going as well. They're back with Ruby De Leon as their setter. Let's see how she shuffles her cards. In the meantime, Jovelyn Gonzaga. Alam mo, these are the games where you see Jovelyn shine. Bigla na lang she starts scoring points, and before you know it, she's winning Most Valuable Player awards. One apiece. Valdez.
Oh, set was too low. And Ruby knew that. Hindi aabutan ni Freeman yung set na yon.
Alam mo, meron din bigay sa matangkad eh. Whether quick or open yan eh. Merong level of proficiency and familiarity yan. Eliza Valdez. Tobino.
Alam mo, Seb, right now, I'm looking at our leading scorers after 2 sets. As we take a look at this replay. Ang ganda ng block na yun kay Tobino. Itong PLDT, leading scorers, Valdez is actually their top scorer with 8 points. Despite only playing
the second set.
The second set. Scored 8. Hurt has 6. Freeman has 3.
I think it's
Itong si Tobino na mag-serve, pasok din to sa top scorers ng Philippine Army. Gonzaga leads the pack with 7. Tobino with 6. Bautista with 5.
Well, the violation against Freeman was, I think, back row player, then lumanding. Or was it crossing? It was a violation by PLDT. Valdez is caught.
We're seeing some adjustments pagdating sa blocking ng Philippine Army. Now able to read Valdez. Ito yung tamang timing eh. Look at this.
Alam mo, isa lang naman pupuntahan ni Eliza eh. Yung ganong kalayong set.
Oo. Na-timingan ni Jove.
4-2 is the count. Tobino. Nahuli. Pero sandali.
Net violation. Nakala ni Abby makakalusot eh. Pero si Abby kanina pa nahuhuli itong si Freeman eh.
Nampasa niya eh. It's fun, family, it's pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Alam mo, may practice din naman yung mga local players playing against the Santiago system.
Oh yeah.
Diba? Nasanay rin.
Meron din
mas matangkad pa nga yung dalawang yun. Samantala, eto na naman tong Army. Pumipiglas na naman. Alam mo, tama yung attitude ng Army. Huwag nyo na pagbigyan mabuhay itong PLDT na to.
Again, we keep on saying this every time we cover the Philippine Army team. At sila rin naman, yun ang gusto nila. Aminado silang pag maipapanalo nila sa straight sets ang isang laro, 3 sets, mas maigi yun para sa kanila.
Pabor sa kanila yun. Kasi hindi naman sila bata pa. So might as well cut the game down short. In the meantime, a net violation and the serve is obtained by PLDT. Too long, and it is now 4-6. Don't forget that Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Maranyo. De Leon with a kick. Oop. Tinawagan ng double.
Doubles.
Oo.
At di masaya.
Hindi siya masaya yung
Oo,
kick na yan, no? Too many errors. Ano ko, Roger Gorayev.
Not
Deep.
happy, huh?
Oh, deep in thought. His ace setter also falling into some errors. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. And Agno, being a good libero, maligo yun. Ako, kung akin yun.
Yan naman ang pressure sa mga libero. Ang pressure is every time you pick up the ball, kailangan maganda. Oo.
Saka ang pride ng libero, playable manageable,
Yes,
akin
oo.
yun eh. Ang ganda na. Ayan na. Ano yung
Yes,
alay?
King, oo.
Ayan na yung alay.
Buhay na buhay.
At una na naman sa technical timeout, ang Philippine Army. Magbabalik ang Shakey's V-League. Airing schedules on GMA News TV. And in the meantime, before I give it to Rina, I just wanted to tell you, yun, kinlaro lang yung mga libero kung sino. Rina, go.
Yes, I have no practice for Eliza Valdez going into today's ball game. Pero sabi nga dito ni Coach Roger Gorayev, he's confident that she will be able to blend in well with the team. Sabi nga niya maganda yun na nandito si Eliza dahil mas nag-iingay yung mga fans natin. At pag mas nag-iingay sila, dapat mas ginaganahan din tayo sa ating paglalaro. All they have to do for this third set is to control the ball. They have to minimize unwanted errors. At kailangan pa nga dito ng aggressiveness para dito kay Freeman at saka si Hurt sa loob ng court. And aside from that is to play with extra patience on this third set. 7-9.
At saka, alam mo, Rina, and everybody, no? Si Eliza naman naglaro kasama itong mga ito ng first conference.
Yeah.
Kasama sila eh. At saka, kung minsan, pag magaling na player, alam mo na ang hilig at tabas eh.
Oo, at saka ang maganda dito, syempre, outside hitter din si Eliza eh. So, it probably would be a little bit more difficult adjusting with a middle hitter dahil dun sa mga plays.
In the meantime, a bit of a misread and an awkward position for she was out of sorts in that last
Langanin.
match. Langanin. That's the best way to describe it. Tina Salak. Ayos ng buhok ng kapitana eh, no ha?
Hindi nga nililipad ng hangin yung buhok ni Tina.
Parang buhok ni Mark Zambrano yan eh.
Si Mark Zambrano, di rin gumagalaw ang buhok mo. Kahit na mahipa ng hangin.
Ultra
Ayos
Fast
pa rin.
Spike. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultera, the Ultra Fast LT for a happy family. Si Mark Zambrano, galing dito sa Shakey's V-League yan at bago naging poging reporter ng GMA News at nag-a-anchor na rin yan ng news.
At bumibisita na.
Yan. Pero, hindi nagugulo ang buhok. Lalo na ngayon.
Set was too far for Vance eh. At alam ni Tina, no? Sumobra.
Pag itong dalawa ang nagkamali, nakakatawa. Ay, nako.
Nagtatawanan lang sila.
Ay, nako. Kahirap mag-volleyball, ano?
Oh, no touch.
Ang ganda ng sigaw ni Freeman eh. Alam niya fake siya dun eh. And Bouncer looks at the score. It's 10-9 in favor of Army. They took the first two sets. 25-16, 25-20. Tulog ni Eliza. Tabla sa 10. Montillas.
Oh, that one is obviously going out. Sayang, ano, yun yung mga sayang na points. Again, very important for PLDT to get a lead here in the third set at makauna.
Para ma-stretch yung game, ano ha? PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for happy family, speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Wow.
Exactly what they need.
Tabla sa 11. Watch this. You know, it's like a storm. You know it's coming. Once it's there, you can't do much about it. Too close to the net. Ooh! Overreach. Roger Gorayev up from his feet, up from his seat rather. 12-11. One direction, ano? Alam mo kung saan pupunta.
At
Abby.
first option din talaga si Eliza.
Bang! It stays down. We're tied at 12. Eliza Valdez serving. De Leon, Roses, Bautista, Maraño. Oh boy. And that was hurt.
Ooh, that one. Masyadong naanggulo ang opensa ni Eliza.
Ito, bawat punto, pinaglalabanan, pinaghihirapan ng dalawang kupunan. Finals of the Reinforced Conference of the Shakey's V-League for this year. Our third offering, De Leon. Parang hataw sa boxing.
Oh.
Cleanly done.
Parang kinulang nga ng wrist yung palo na yun. Not too much spin, pero
Ganda ng pwesto eh.
oo, fell right at the sideline.
14-12. You know, a lead of 2 or 3 by Army. Hindi matawid ng PLDT ha. Pag nakapiglas na naman ng Army rito, mahirapan itong PLDT. Spulak, yes! Galit na galit si Buong. Nabutasan sila eh. Salak, Bautista. Alam ni Pantone kung nasaan ang bola.
Oh, ang layo na ni Ging dun sa block. And she knew it, ano? She was probably a foot away
Yes,
from
it
the
is.
net.
Watch this.
Look at this. Nakahabol siya eh, pero malayo yung kanyang kamay.
Alam niya. Tabla sa 14, yung 2-point lead, nabura na ng PLDT. 3 ball. Oh, 3 straight points by PLDT.
Oo, si Roses, matalino rin talaga. She made sure na walang makakakuha ng bola na yun, ano, pag nahawakan ng blocker. Palabas.
Porsyento player din
Oo,
kasi.
porsyento.
3 straight points. Make that 4 straight points. And a rare moment for PLDT to be first at the technical timeout break. But we'll hang on. We'll try to listen in.
Pero dalawa na lang naman nila. Tayo naman. Okay, kailangan natin na mabitik. Ang gulo yung ang gulo ng basaw eh. Hindi naman may babalo sa'yo, tatakbo mo palabas. Diba? Instead na bumalik na. Balik agad. Yung block, balik mo sa block. Yung problema natin, first ball. Kasi
maingay si Eliza, mukhang nag-i-enjoy. Pagka maingay si Eliza, nag-i-enjoy. Ito po, ang ating ultra fan volleyball friends. Si Patricia, si Juliet, si Maynard, si Kai, si Mer, at si Ces. Kung hindi ko nakita yung lalaki, akala ko volleyball team eh.
Nako, yun ang mga nag-i-enjoy.
Yan nag-i-enjoy sila. At you can have a chance to win weekly game tickets, exclusive volleyball friends merchandise, and autographed jerseys of your favorite players. Sumali kayo sa PLDT Home Mulgara Volley Friends of the Game. Libre t-shirt pa.
Oo. At ito naman si Balse. Si Ging Balse Pabayo. I have to get used to calling her
by
her
her
married
full
name.
name.
Oo, yung kanyang full name.
16-15. 2-point leads are not gonna stay very long. We're tied.
No touch.
Just 16-14 already. De Leon. Process. 17-16. Mikasa, the one and only official ball of the Shakey's League. Here's Rosas and her serve. Torres. Torpedo is caught.
No coverage there for Philippine Army.
Time to listen to the Army.
Okay, makinig. Pupunta na siya dito. Sakto nung binigay mo dito kay... Atak tayo doon sa kabila. Atake mo doon sa kabila. Ready ka ng tayo. Dito mo lang. Ready ka ng tayo. Dapat dulo. At ngayon, ang established ng block sa ilalim. Hindi kayo mag-a-adjust ng stop. Ano ka ba yan? Sayang naman yung tubod mo. Kaya lang, yung bola papasok mo sa atin. Ang peso, paalala, ang peso sa ilalim. So kayo mag-a-adjust.
Sense of urgency on that side of the floor. Watch this. Tinahuli si Tubino eh. Bang, boom, sakto.
Ang ganda ng block na yun.
Oh,
Ang bilis ng balik.
In the meantime, stare down at the middle of the net. Well done. Maiso was the one who fired.
Giving it back by a free ball. It's not a good sign.
$19-16 is the count. Is there a possibility that we won't make the graphics for the best player yet?
Possibly. Look at that. Itong si Tubino, basang-basa na ng blockers ng PLDT. But, yun nga, itong si Tina Salak, dadalawa lang rin ang attackers. Oh, now this is Coach Kung Fu making that substitution to ensure na meron siyang tatlong opensa sa harap.
So Sarah Jane Gonzalez on the floor. Ando din si Carolino. In play. Rubino stops at Lusok. 2017. Ganon kabilis ang pasok, ganon din kabilis ang labas. Sanay din ang volleyball pero sa ganun.
Oo. O yan. Change in server. Pwede naman kasing mag-clarify.
Hindi sila umikot eh.
Oo. A good serve from Salak that automatically breaks the play of PLDT.
Huli. Net touch.
Oh, net touch. Kita mo yung saya sa mukha ni Jove. Yes.
Roger Goroyen wants a huddle. Doesn't want to waste the lead.
Sige, konting tsaga lamang tayo. Mag-aabot yung mga yan, ha?
Let's go!
2018, so much firepower in this match. Still in the third set. It's in play. De Leon. Ortillas gets it up.
Ooh, Marciano gets that through.
And that comes at a critical phase of the match. It's 21-18. Marciano. And
Ooh, almost made it in.
alam big chance.
Oo.
2-point lead.
Sabi ng Philippine Army, hindi pa tapos. Dalawa lang ang kalamangan ng PLDT. Let's see, Balse had a good run at the service area earlier.
Tubino. Throw.
Lusot.
And it's a 1-point affair here in the third.
Tubino had to find a way, ano? Kanina kasi kita natin, hirap siya magpalusot ng bola.
Siguro galing mag-trending to si Tubino, no? Nailulusot siya ng mga iskinita. Out. Tabla tayo. 2 points na yung lamang ngayon, pero walang magtagal na lead para sa PLDT. Labas. 3 straight points by Army. Roger Gureyev looks at these sneakers. Boy, a wasted lead, huh? They had a 2-point lead, eh?
But this is a strong front line for Philippine Army.
Oh, boy. Thomas Valdez is there.
And this is gonna be a challenge for Philippine Army, ano? Ito yung malakas ang kanilang first line, but now Salak. Ang si Salak, tingnan natin kung anong kanyang play.
Yun, quick. Amaranyo. Why not? Give it to the Energizer. (23-22). Analysis fans are reminded of all those Ateneo LaSalle matches. And they're beginning to express what they feel about Abby again. But Abby doesn't care. She's scoring. Aha, we're tied.
Oh, look at this. Both teams, not giving up. And syempre, itong PLDT, they'd like to keep Valdez in front.
Yes.
Ito yung rotation na malakas sila.
Pabor sila dyan.
Oo. Oh, but just the same. Gonzaga.
Yun ang tusok.
Tusok talaga. Walang blocker.
Tusok. Frontline pa.
Walang blocker. And look at the energy of Philippine Army, no? Probably feeling game 1.
Match point.
Pero wag pa kasi sigurado. They still have to get this match point.
Lakas. Sumalok pa baba. Valdez is not yet done.
This makes it all the more exciting.
Good telling his team, keep your iron steady. 24 apiece now. 1 match point saved.
Oh!
And the match point, the set point goes to the other side.
And an ace by Valdez, really scoring the points, when they needed the most.
It's set point, PLDT. Oh, there, let's listen in.
play na rin tatawagan ng one. Wala nang ikot na na. Pare-parehas na yan. Ang importante yan, first goal natin. Wala pa atras.
Set point for PLDT. It's already match point at 24-23, and then Eliza Valdez responding with a kill and then an ace. Alive. Oh! And we are going 4 sets as expected.
Well, this ain't the game 1 of the finals kung di rin magiging ganito ka-exciting. Look at that final stretch.
And Eliza Valdez giving them a chance to win the set at the end. And I mean, the final shaking point, the winning point. And we will be back with set number 4 after this.